everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. We are back with another application guide video. In this application guide video, we're going to give you details about the Outreachy internship program. Applications are now open for this amazing internship program. It is a remote internship for students to enhance their skills and learn under the supervision of professionals. A paid internship that allows the interns to share their ideas with the community and work collaboratively. There will be two batches of the internship program, one from May to August and the other from December to March. As the organization promotes diversity, people facing discrimination, gender biases, and those who belong to underrepresented communities are welcome to work in this organization and benefit from this internship program. Outreachy internship program is inspired by the Google Summer of Code. This opportunity is highly valuable in the professional world. Employees of the companies make their hiring decisions by judging the contributions of their applicants. The eligibility criteria to apply for this internship program: anyone from any country can apply. The applicant must be 18 years old at the time of the internship. Applicant must be able to work full-time, that is 40 hours per week. Applicants who are part of any part-time jobs may apply, but they have to work 40 hours per week. Applicants who are already working a full-time job are currently on leave are ineligible. Students are eligible if their university allows them 42 days leave. International students in the USA on study visa must make sure their visas allow them to full-time job. Applicants from the Northern Hemisphere can apply for the May-August batch. This goes for applicants from India as well. Applicants interested in the December batch must be from the Southern Hemisphere. Applicants from the Equator can apply for any batch. Current interns of Google Summer of Code are eligible to apply for this program. Benefits of the Outreachy internship program: a stipend of $5,000 for 3 months, a travel grant of $500. Interns will get to work under the supervision of top-class mentors. Interns' performance might lead to job hiring. To apply for this internship program, click on the link given in the description section of the video, and after clicking on the link, you will be redirected to this web page. You have to scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunities Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the official website of the Outreachy internship program. You can see the full details about the internship program. You can click on Read More about applying to Outreachy to see more details about the application process. How to apply to the Outreachy internship program. The application process for Outreachy is longer than most internship applications, so they highly encourage applicants to start their application at least 2 to 3 weeks before the Outreachy application deadline. The application process consists of 5 steps. Make sure you are eligible to apply for the internship. You have to pick 1 to 2 projects. Look at the proposed projects and pick 1 to 2 projects that look interesting to you. There will be more information on each community's landing page, including community chat panels and mentor contact information if you need to ask questions about the project. Then you have to make small, consistent contributions to the projects you have chosen. The fourth step is record in progress contributions on the Outreachy website. You'll need to go to the community landing page linked from the project listing page. Then click the record contribution button. Add links and description to your contribution and the project timeline before the application deadline. You can always go back and edit your recorded contributions. A contribution doesn't have to be merged or accepted to be recorded. Complete your final application. You'll need to go to the community landing page linked from the project's listing page. Then click the update contributions and apply to this project button below the project you want to apply for. You will need to submit a final application to each project you've made a contribution to. The button to add the final application will appear once you have recorded at least one contribution. Also, when applying for May internship round, check if there is an opportunity to apply for the Google Summer of Code with the same project and complete an application for it as well. To start your application process, click on the application process next step 1 by 5, check eligibility. This way your application will be started. You can check the eligibility rules. Read these rules carefully before applying and make sure that you are eligible. Click on Start your initial application. You must fill out an initial application by September 3rd, 2021. You have to create an account. Click on Create Account, then you have to add in your username, email address, password, and then you have to confirm your password. And then click on Create Account. After creating an account, you will have to fill in the required information. You have to add in your public name, your legal name, pronouns, share pronouns with Outreachy participants. You can add in a profile picture. This is optional, this is not compulsory. Then you have to add in your location details. If you have any open source accounts, you have to add in the URLs of those accounts, your social media accounts, the Outreachy initial application, general eligibility. Will you be 18 years or older on December 6, 2021? Select yes or no. Do you have a student visa that limits the days that you can work 40 hours a week from December 6 to March 4, 2022? Select yes or no. Are you eligible to work for 40 hours a week in all the countries you will be living in for December to April? Select yes or no. Are you a person or entity restricted by United States of America, export controls or sanction programs? Are you a citizen, resident or national of Crimea, Cuba, Iran, South Korea or Syria? Select yes or no and then click on Next Step. The next questions are about your nationality and your location. Are you a citizen, national or permanent resident of the United States of America? Select yes or no. Will you be living in the United States of America at any time from December 6 to April 8, 2022? Select yes or no. Step 3 of Step 13. Have you been accepted as a Summer of Code intern at Google, an outreach program for women intern, or an Outreachy intern before? Select yes or no. Have you contributed to open source before? Select yes or no. Have you ever been paid to contribute to free and open source software program before? Select yes or no. Gender identity. Do you identify as a transgender? Select yes or no. Do you identify as genderqueer? Select yes or no. What gender do you identify as? Check all that apply. And then click on Next. The fifth step is the essay. You can read the details about the essay. What country will you be living in from December 6 to March 2022? Are you part of an underrepresented group? How are you underrepresented? What systematic bias or discrimination would you face if you applied for a job in the technology industry of your country? And does your learning environment have few people who share your identity or background? Please provide details. What systematic bias or discrimination have you faced while building your skills? And then you have to give details about content writing if you have done before. And then you can click on Next Step to move to the sixth step. The next step is time commitments. Are you a university or college student? Select yes or no. Are you enrolled in a coding school or self-paced online course? Are you an employee? Are you a contractor? Are you a volunteer worker? And then answering these questions, click on Next Step. Then you have to give details about your university or college, your university name, university website, link to your official academic calendar for your current school term, link to your official academic calendar for your next school term, and your degree name. Then you have to give details about your school term dates, your current school term name, date classes start for your current term, date exams end for your current term, the details about your next term name, date classes start for your next term, date exams end for your next term, are you graduating after your next term, and then details about the following term, and then click on Next. And the final step is review your application. First you have to tell how did you find out about Outreachy, and then you have to review your application, and then you can click on Submit Initial Application. Submit your application. Then your application is under review, preparation for the contribution phase, What if my initial application is incorrect? And this was the application process for your initial application. After your initial application is accepted, you will be required to select different projects, and further details will be given to you in the further email correspondence by the outreach department. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.